This next problem is an example of descriptive math problem, still about decimal numbers. Okay, let's read the problem. Among the 3-digit decimal numbers that are greater than 1 over 1,000 times 6,672 and less than 6.72, show the process and write all numbers whose sum to the second decimal place and the third decimal place is 9. However, there is no 0 in the last digit of the decimal number. Okay, if the 3-digit decimal numbers is equal to blank, 1 over 1,000 times 6,672. So 1 over 1,000 times 6,672, and this is equal to 6.672. Okay, therefore, pwede nating sabihin na this 3-digit decimal number is greater than 1 over 1,000 times 6,672, and that is 6.672. So 6.672. And this 3-digit decimal number is less than 6.72. So kailangan nating malaman or hanapin kung ano ang magsasatisfy na decimal number dito. Okay, according sa problem, the sum, ang sum daw ng second, and third decimal place number, sum ng second and third, na decimal place number is equal to 9. Okay, from that, we can create two kinds of decimal numbers. Okay, una, we have 6.6 blank and then blank. Okay, pangalawa, 7 blank blank. Okay, tandaan, ang number na ito at ang number na ito kapag inad, the answer is 9. So this one and then this number, the answer is 9. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano ang mga numbers na magsasatisfy dito. Okay, kung titignan natin, 6, this is 6, and then 6. This is 7. Okay, this decimal number is greater than 6.672. Since this is 7, ang mga numbers na higher sa 7 ay 8 and 9. Okay, tandaan, dapat ang mga numbers na ito, pag pinag-add, ang sagot ay 9. So, 8 plus 1, the answer is 9. So, 8 plus 1 is 9. So, tama ang 8 plus 1. Okay, how about ang 9? 9 plus 0, the answer is 9. But according sa problem, there is no 0 in the last digit of the decimal number. Kaya naman, ito ay hindi pwede. So, ang 8, at 1 ay tama. So, we have 6.681. Okay, now, alamin naman natin kung anong mga numbers ang magsasatisfy dito. Okay, so we have 6, 7, and this is 2. So, ano ang mga numbers na magsasatisfy dito? This decimal number is less than this decimal number. Okay, this is 7, this is 7. Okay, this is 2. So, ano ang number na kailangang less than this number 2? So, we have 0 and 1. Okay, 0 plus 9. The answer is 9 kasi dapat 9 ang sum ng second at ang third na digit. Okay, how about 1? 1 plus 8. The answer is 9. Okay, how about Okay, no more kasi dapat na mas mababa sa 2. Okay, so our answer is 6.709. And, okay, 6.7, okay, 1/8. Okay, 1 plus 8, the answer is still 9. So, ito ang mga decimal numbers na magsasatisfy dito. So, we have 6.681, okay, 6.709, and 6.718.